Hello everyone, for today's video we have to unbox and review Hatteker Professional Hair Clipper. This model is RFC 686 and what I like about it that it had this LED display to indicate the battery level. I got this one from Amazon for $38 and even though it is made in China, the quality is really good. Inside the box you will find 10 limit guide combs ranging from 25 mm all the way to 1.5 mm. Wow, you will also get a charger unlike the latest Samsung and Apple phones. It needs around 3 hours to charge 2000 milliampere-hour battery and then you can use it for almost full 4 hours. Finally, here it is, the hair clipper, which looks beautiful with this full metallic design. However, this design comes with a shortcoming, and that is that the hair clipper is pretty heavy. This model has adjustable topper level which can increase or decrease the cutting length. When you turn it on, it will show the level of the battery, which is very useful to never run out of the battery in the middle of the haircut. In the box you will also find a comb, cleaning brush, oil for the hair clipper and protective cover similar that you will see in the hair salon. All of this for $38 is a great deal in my opinion. And now let's see it in action. So first I will do here my mustaches and beard and then I will cut hair. So let's see how it works, because for the beard it's harder than the hair. So that is how we will see the quality of the machine. So what I can see so far that it is not really good to cut like the short hair, like all the way you could say to the zero or something. So I will need to do this with other machine, and you can see that by the razor that it does not go all the way to the end here. That is the reason why it does not cut the short hair. Okay, let me now try the beard. Okay, now I will use this one, 3, which is 4.5 millimeter. The installation is very easy, just plug it in here and put like this. It clips, it's very easy. So let me try now for the beard. So you can see for the beard it is really very powerful. Usually I don't cut my beard this short, so next time I will use a higher millimeter, but it will grow. And the important is you can see that how easy it cuts the beard, like without any problem, there is no any stuck. So it really works well. Okay, now I will use 1.5 millimeter, which is the shortest they have. So just to do this, usually I put here like a bit nicer these angles. And that's it for the beard. Now let's do the hair. Okay, now we have 6 millimeter for the hair. Let's see how it goes. Okay, now we move to 4.5 millimeter, that it will be somewhere here, and then here it will be with the shortest one. So let's see how it goes. Okay, done, and now we move to the shortest one, this one. Okay, and finally this will be with the lowest one. And finally 1.5 millimeter for the edges. Okay, and finally with this small one I will do the one that I told you before was not possible. So check now the difference. and with the same one I will do now this, and that's it. At the end, some machines like this one are washable, so you can just put them under the water and even turn it on while you are cleaning. It's not a problem, and then it is ready to use. But this one, unfortunately, at least per the instructions, it says it's not washable, and you can see by its shine that it's fully out of metal. So then you need to clean it with these additional items that arrived with it, and I will show you how you can do that right now. So this is now how you can clean this one. So just use this small brush which came with it, and you can clean like in details. And that's it. And every couple of usage you can put oil here, so just add a few drops in between, and you can then turn it on and the oil will do its thing, and that is how you can maintain this metallic one. Here you can see the final result of the haircut and the beard, and we are ready for work. So that will be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.